there, my friends. It's Laura the Teach. Today's lesson, we're going to do some adding of tens and ones on the hundreds chart. Now, we've done a lot with the hundreds chart so far. We counted to 100. We counted by tens. We counted by fives. We added 10 and we added ones. If you missed those lessons, take a look at the different links on my page and you'll find them. Today we're going to look at what it is to add 10 and then 1. So let me get started with you. Let's start at the number 3. Remember, if we add 10 to a number, we go down the hundreds chart. Right now, 3 is just 3 ones. But if we have no tens and we add 1 10, we get to 13, which is 1 10 and 3 ones. But let's say I wanted to add 10 and then 5 more. So if I said 3 plus 10, I would go down 1. I would say no tens plus 1 10 is 1 10 and 3 ones. But then I want to add 5 ones to that. I would count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So my answer would be 18. See how easy that is? Let's try another one. Let's just start right in the middle of the page. So here we have the number 35. We have 3 tens and 5 ones. Let's say I want to add 22 to that number. So 22 means 20, 2 tens. So I'm going to go down 1 10, 2 tens, and I get to 55. But now my original number was 22. So I also have to add 2 ones to that. So I'll count 1, 2. And look at that. My answer is 57. So when you are adding numbers, add the tens and then add your ones. We go down if we add 10. We go across if we add ones. Let's try it again. I'm going to close my eyes and just point. So I ended up at 48. Let's say I want to add 56 to that. So first I have to add 5 tens because 50 and 56, 50 is 5 tens. So I'm going to go 1 10, 2 tens, 3 tens, 4 tens, 5 tens. Ooh, we're going to have a situation here because we're going to run out of numbers. I'll show you what we do. So we're going to add 56. We just added our 50, our 5 tens. Now we need to add 6 ones. 1, 2. Wait a minute. I ran out of numbers. What can I do? Well, after you hit a 10 of any kind, then you start counting ones again. Let's review. If we stopped at 60, then we started with 61. So if we end with 100, we're going to go all the way up to the beginning and we're going to say 101, 102, and so forth. So we needed to add 6 ones and we were right here at 98. So let's add our 6 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It takes me to 4, but because I had 100, it would be 101, 102, 103, 104. Look at that. You can use the hundreds chart for adding over and over and over again. We just continue the pattern. Let's do one more. Let's start with 21. And let's add 37 to that. So 37, 30 means 3 tens. 1, 2, 3 tens. I get to 51. Now I need to add my 7 ones. So I'm going to count across. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. and I ended up at 58. So use your hundreds charts at home and practice adding numbers with tens and ones. It's very, very fun, and it's not that hard to do. Good luck and have fun.